get your Juvias Place multi-chromes and get in the field. Let me show y'all one of the cutest, easiest eye looks using these Juvias Place multi-chrome eyeshadows. Now I have two here that are in the liquid eyeshadow form. One is in the name Cherry Cocoa and Amara, and I'm going to swatch them for you. Now this is Cherry Cocoa. It is I would say it's like an orange to kind of pinky duochrome. This one is Amara. It is a green, I would say, to pink purpley gold. So they both reflect in two different ways. And they do dry down. This is the Culture Multi-Chrome eyeshadow in It Girl. And I'm going to swatch it right there. It is a coppery orange. And this one shifts into like a green gold as well. Last one that I have, this is another multi-chrome eyeshadow in Finesse. Now this one is like a gold pink shimmer. And it's so pretty and reflective. I'm going to do a look. I'll be right back. Now let me show you a cute look. Now with these, I don't normally put any base on my eyes just because I don't want to layer a lot of product on top of my eyelid and increase the creasing of the product. So I'm just going to take my ring finger into It Girl and I'm going to pop that right on my lid right here. Just like that. All right. That's so pretty already. I'm going to take Amara in the liquid eyeshadow. And I'm going to take that right next to that first shade that we put down. And just kind of swipe it and bring it out there. Just like that. Now I'm going to take that same finger that I used originally and marry the two shades together. I'm going to top that green with a matching green shimmer shadow. Just to intensify it just a little bit more. Like that. And again, go back over it with the same finger that still has the other shadow on there. Now for this eye, I'm going to take that same green shade and I'm going to put that right in the front of my eye on my lid. Just like that. And I'm going to take Cherry Cocoa and put that on the outer edge right here. And I'm going to just use this applicator actually to blend the two together. Now I'm going to go on top of that with Finesse. Now I'm going to go on top of that with Finesse. I'm going to use my ring finger and really stamp that on there. It's going to bring out the pinky shade. And just to bring out a little bit more pink and kind of give it a lilac-y tone, I'm going to go over that one with a lilac shimmery shadow. I'm going to go back over this one with that same green that I put over here. And marry the two together. So cute. So now from here I'm going to take a brown out of, so from here, I'm going to take a brown out of the Nubian by Juvias Place palette at the bottom here. I dip into that. I'm going to put that in my crease to help blend the top of the eyeshadows. The same with the other side. Just dipping into that and bringing that into the bridge of my nose right here. I'm just using a light hand just to blend everything together in the crease. Just like that. I'll finish the look and I'll be right back. And girl, if you don't go get you some of these, I mean, look. It's so pretty. Now that I done taught you how to do an easy eyeshadow look for the spring and summer, because these definitely will be in rotation for me, make sure y'all go check out juviasplace.com and also go check out ulta.com because they're sold there too. And if you need help with anything in between, don't forget to click that link in my bio to grab my course because my students been in the field. Now go ahead and like this video and follow me for more tutorials. Bye.